Best Aftermarket Accessories. Check out the Model 3 dual puck wireless LED light. This is really awesome. Everybody's going to love it. I have it in my car, and it's my favorite of all of our upgrade light products. What you get is this beautiful, simple 3 embossed, and you peel off the little sticker on it. It's very beautiful and shiny and reflective. And then you turn it on. You hold this button down until it lights up. And then you select the color of choice. I like blue. And you simply drop it right here in your front cup holder. It's like that. And that's all there is to it. When the battery gets low in a week or two, you just plug it into the USB-C plug right here to charge it. Plug it in underneath your center console or in your back seat. Let it charge for about an hour. Again, these are lasting over 2 weeks on a standard charge. They don't turn on during the day. They don't turn on when the car's not moving. They have a built-in vibration sensor. So if you sit in the car long enough and you're not moving, they eventually will just turn off. So this is a great feature to increase the longevity of the lifespan of the battery and also frequency of charge. So it works great. You just reach down, change the color anytime you want to change the color to meet your mood, and 7 colors to choose from. Now I like blue, and look at it with the bottle inside of it. If it was really dark in here, you could see how it completely lightens up the drink. And it's a very nice feature, simple and lots of fun. Here you can see what happens when there's no vibrations in the car. And as soon as the car is moving, as soon as there's any passengers inside, it's going to light up just like this.